Want to have a memorable research talk? 2 secret ingredients for you. Nancy Kanwisher's TED Talk from 2014 has been watched by over 1 million people. It is a good example on how to make information-heavy research talk accessible to the general public. Although the talk itself is not that long, less than 12 minutes, it is packed with newsworthy information that you can easily recall next month if you happen to talk about brains in the pub. Dr. Nancy starts the talk with the strange phenomenon of people not being able to recognize their own children's face, inviting people's curiosity to listen more. She then wastes no time and jumps directly to a video of a guy being experimented upon. Prior to playing the video, she explains what you're about to see, and this is the key to success.
The doctors asked him what happened when they electrically stimulated that part of his brain. Now, the patient doesn't know where those electrodes are, and he's never heard of the face area. So let's watch what happens. It's going to start with a control condition that will say sham, nearly invisibly, in red in the lower left, when no current is delivered. And you'll hear the neurologist speaking to the patient first. So let's watch.
Okay, just look at my face and tell me what happens when I do this, all right?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. I'm going to do it one more time. Look at my face. 1, 2, 3.
You just turned into somebody else.
Tell me
Your
about
face metamorphosed. Your nose got saggy, went to the left. You almost looked like somebody I'd seen before, but somebody different. That was a trip.
Her explanation prepares you for what you're about to see so that when you watch the video, you're never wondering what the words on the screen mean, and the connection between her and you as the speaker and the audience was never lost. Never in the talk that you feel that she has abandoned you for showing random pictures or videos on her slides. This is the key to success. In one word, it is control. She is in control and you feel safe under her lead. All videos on her slides are so integrated with her words that it feels like she's drawing the parts of the brain with her color pencils as she speaks.
What brain imaging has delivered is this rich and interesting picture of the human mind. So we have this picture of very general purpose machinery in our heads.
When you have a research-heavy topic, the best you could do is to rely as much as possible on images throughout your story. And even better, animate those images as videos and show them directly on the slides. Embed them all to reduce any technological problem that might arise. You will then make the ingestion of ideas so effortless. And so when it's so easy to digest, people's recall's ability increases. Note that she doesn't do much to set up curiosity. The flow of the talk was carried through simply by her smooth control of the pace and the animation on her slides. When you need to speak to inform, try to make your slides as interactive as possible and don't underestimate what can be done using videos, even without much of a dialogue. Pictures are much more powerful than words. A word of caution though, the moment the audience feels that the speaker is not in control of the slides and that they are just watching a series of random generated photos, the enchanting spell will be broken. You need to always know why this information you're receiving is important. Otherwise, you won't wait until the last word until you check your Twitter feed. I mean, there are plenty of videos there too. So that's it, everyone. To do a good research talk, pay attention to control and animated slides. If you like this video, please click like so that more people will see it, and don't forget to subscribe.